Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, I am caving and I am going to do a bubble rose tutorial today. I did ask across quite a bit of my social media and you do want to see one, even though there are already lots on the internet. I have watched 10 Little Canvases and I loved hers, so I am using her as my inspiration. I wouldn't wear these on my nails. I think they look a bit daft, to be honest. I think they're great big baubles on your nails, look really goofy, but they're beautiful and they're super fun to create. So we're going to do one anyway. And I'm going to run through quickly what I'm using. So I'm using a super fine dotting tool. I'm going to be using the Le Chat Murano top coat, which is what Kim from 10 Little Canvases recommends. I think her name's Kim. Apologies if it's not. IBD hard gel, they're clear hard gel. And I'm going to be using, for my colour, I'm going to be using Gel Play in white, that's Accents, and Light Elegance Tailgater Buttercream. Now they are all professional products. I'm also going to be using, for the centre of my flower, I'm going to be using Crystal Pixie, I'm going to be using the Rock Shock. So I have used Cute Mood, which is this one here, and it looks really cool because they kind of look like they're floating, the centres. And the idea of that, for me personally, I think these flowers look much better if the petals are open. Maybe not as open as this one, but definitely open so you can see the centre of the flower. I've seen a lot of people closing them up and you can't really see what's going on in the centre. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to probably put the instructions on the screen as much as I can to save time, speed things up a little bit, and let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by just talking you through it. So as I said, this does use a lot of product. So just be warned, if you do make these, you're going to go through your hard gel really quickly. Excuse me. Right, the first thing I'm doing is I'm just dipping the dotting tool in and just getting a little tiny bead of the hard gel. So you want to keep this in as much of a round shape as you can. So just twirl it round until you get a nice ball. And always remember to put the lid back on your products, otherwise you're going to have a huge pot of cured gel. So when you're happy with your ball, you just cure it, but you keep rotating it in the lamp while you cure.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance?
Okay, so the one thing I don't know that I mentioned, I can't remember, but when you pop your ball in the lamp, you need to rotate it so that you do keep that shape as best you can. So just turn it around in the lamp. So that is cured, so we've got a top coat layer on there now. Now I'm going to start off with a few white petals. I'm just using I think this is actually a 3D acrylic brush, but it's fine for the petals, that's what I'm using. So I'm just going to do a few white petals. Now as I said, I want my flower to look quite open, so I'm going to start off with a couple of petals and I'm going to do them quite low down. So I might actually just zoom in at this point so you can actually see. So it's a matter of now doing the petals, curing, dipping it in your hard gel, curing, doing some more petals, curing, and dipping it in your hard gel. So at this point, I'm going to show you once, then I'm going to speed it up so that we're not taking too long. So that's the first little petal, and I'm going to turn it completely the other way around, so 180 degrees, and I'm going to do another white petal. So you can do whatever shape you like. So that is that. So when you look at it from above, you can see I haven't covered too much of the center, so those lovely little beads are going to pop out when the flower is done. So cure that and I will be back. Okay, so the flower is cured and I'm going to now dip it directly straight down into my hard gel. Oh God, apologies for that. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to hear that on the sound. That is Byron, my dog, snoring his little butt off in the background. Right, so pull it out of the hard gel, get rid of the tail as much as you can. You don't want too much excess product. I think that's why I start doing absolutely enormous balls. So it looks a bit like that. So turn it round until you can get it to look like a perfect round ball. I'm just twirling it around, sorry if it's a bit off camera. Once you're happy, cure it, and then we're going to add more petals. So it's just a matter now of building up your layers. So I'm going to do a couple more layers of white, and then I'm going to go into the coral colour, and I'm going to speed it up from here, and I'll come back at the top coat layer.
What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Okay guys, at this point I am actually going to apply a layer of top coat rather than the hard gel. I don't want the ball to be too big, and by doing this it is a much thinner layer. So I'm just applying the Murano top coat here from Le Chat, and then I am going to cure the ball and carry on with the peach coloured petals.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid.
Okay, so from the side you can see it's a little bit skew with from the top when it focuses. There you go. I'm really happy with that. There is a random bit of something there, glitter. Now to get these off, super easy. Grab it, twist the stick, and off it pulls. Now with that little pokey bit that's on the end there, just file it off. So I'm going to file it off, and I'm going to come back and show you the end result. Okay guys, it is that easy to create a bubble rose. They are super fun. As I said, I don't really like large objects sticking out on my nails, so I wouldn't wear them on my nails, but don't get me wrong, I have seen some techs in the UK do these on their nails and they're fantastic, particularly a lovely lady called Claire Nichols. And hers, if you go and have a look at hers, I'll try and find a link to her photos. They are absolutely stunning. They're the nicest ones on nails that I've seen. Now, as I said also, you can use the clear top coat in between your petals. All you will get is a tighter looking ball and less magnified, but you will still get a lovely, lovely effect. You'll just save your hard gel. So I'm going to move in just a little bit here so you can see where I did the white petals. It's given it like a pale peach look. There you go. So no, it doesn't look white. It looks, well, on camera anyway, it's coming across as like a pale peach. And you can really see the crystal pixie, and I think they are super cute. So I'm just going to plonk the other ones down. I'm having trouble talking again, just for something new and different. So I do like the peach shades quite clearly because I've done 3 of them. And I'll just zoom out again so you can see all of them. So there you go. So this one's a little daisy. I have used a gold holographic glitter in the centre of that one. That one's got a silver holographic glitter, which is sitting a bit lopsided so you can't really see. And then crystal pixie, and again the one over here is silver glitter. So they were all really cute, and I think these 2 are my favourites. Just the way the petals are, I think that they look pretty like that, and I love the way that the Cute Mood crystal pixie just looks like it's floating. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to leave it there, guys. So if you have got any questions about these, pop them in the comments box. I will link all the products that I've used in the description bar. Now, as I said, they are professional only products, but you can definitely buy brands that are home brands where you can create this yourself at home. Thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe, guys. I really appreciate your support, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.